The next question is Shamim Akhtar, a civil engineer from India, West Bengal, Kolkata, Murshidabad. Sir, I like you and I love you. 1, 2, 5 hearts. How do we know that our fasts have been accepted by Allah? That's a very good question. That how do we know that Allah has accepted our fasts? Number one, if you follow the hadith of the Prophet, that you fast all the fast in the month of Ramadan with sincerity and faith and seeking the reward of Allah, inshallah, Allah will accept your fast and will forgive all your sins. So number one is fast with sincerity. Number two is you fast with seeking the reward of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In fasting, there are two aspects. One is following it by letter and one is following it in spirit. Following in letter, you have to abstain from all the fast breakers, the 10 fast breakers. You don't have to eat, you don't have to drink, you don't have to involve in the sexual activities and so on and so forth, the 10 fast breakers. So this is following in letter. In spirit, you have to abstain from telling lies, abstain from bad deeds, you have to do good deeds, you have to keep on speaking the truth and so on and so forth. So if you fast in letter as well as in spirit, inshallah your fast will be accepted. And it's the duty of every Muslim that he should fast with sincerity and should have confidence that Allah will inshallah accept the fast. What are the signs that you can see that your fast has been accepted? There are various signs. One of the signs is that after Ramadan you see that your good deeds have increased as compared to what they were before Ramadan. After Ramadan, your bad deeds have decreased as compared to what they were before. You realize that your ibadah has increased, your salah has increased, your charity has increased, your good activities have increased. So this is one of the signs that when your ibadah increases, your good activities have increased, inshallah Allah has accepted your fast.